Okay, so I'm here on the Red Oak High School website. So I'm going to go over here to user options. I click on that. Carefully come over here. If you go straight across, then it's going to click off. Go to sign in. And I've got to scroll down. And it's already got my password. It's the same password that you use to log into your laptop. So I hit sign in. And then once I do that, then I have to go back up to user options again. I go to user options again, and this time I go to site manager. Okay, the only part that we have to do is the meet the teacher, which is down here. So you click on the meet the teacher part. And then you're going to hover over that until you see the green pencil. Click on that. And this is where you type everything in. So I've already typed mine in. But if you want to type some more stuff in there, and that's how you do that. At the end, for the high school, what they want to do is they want you to direct them to your Canvas website. So I'm going to go back over to the high school website, back up to home. Actually, I want to go back to Red Oak ISD. And when I do that, and I go back to this thing, you scroll down, you've got this Canvas website. You want to click that so that it's completely highlighted. Right click and copy it. And then go back over to the Meet the Teacher page. And I already have it highlighted. I already have it linked, but just so you know how to link it to your Canvas website, when you type in that phrase, for up-to-date information in my class, please visit my Canvas website. So I'm going to click on that, and over here is a link. So I hit insert link. And then I want to change it to a web address. And then I'm going to right click and paste that link in there. And I just want it to say Canvas website. And I want it to open in a new window, although you could have it open inside, but I just want it in the new window. And then you click insert link. And that is how you finish up the website. So after you type in your information. Oh, also, going back up to the top, there's details that you can also put in right here. And then you just want to save it. And it'll say success, you finished your changes. So that's it. Hope this helps. Thanks.